Hello everyone and welcome back to Best Twitch Streamer, and today I'm going to be talking about on how you can grow on Twitch. So as you can see, there's multiple streamers that's only got 518. Well, honestly 518 is a lot. 116, 136, 690. So in order to, this guy's only got 39 viewers, right? But here's the thing, in order to grow on Twitch you need to be a regular streamer. Once you're regularly streaming, as in you're streaming every day, you need to set up a timing, like from 6 to 10 or 6 to 8. Once you have a proper time set up, start streaming during that time. And when you're always online during that time, Twitch is gonna start putting your stream over here first. And once they do this, people might just end up joining you. Like for example, if I do play, you know what, I'm liking this, I can press on his name and voila, I'm another viewer for him, right? So yeah, and the reason why his Twitch or their Twitch is up, their stream is up here, is because they're regular. So that's all you have to be. In order to grow on Twitch, all you gotta do is just be regular, just be a regular streamer, and that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, hit that subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we're coming up with new videos almost every day. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.